Today I'm going to be sharing with you honest review about this Shapellx body wear that was sent to me to review, and I'm going to be giving you my honest truth. I want to use this time to say thank you to Shapellx for partnering with me on this video. Today I'm going to be featuring their product, I'm going to be featuring one of their bodysuits that is called Power Conceal Seamless Smoothing Body Suits. Ladies, I am going to be sharing my honest review about this seamless bodysuit. Please watch till the end and let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do not forget to like this video. And also, if you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please do consider subscribing and turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. I always like to say this: please share this video with friends and family. Maybe they might find it informative, entertaining, or educative. In this video I'm going to be showing you what this product look like. Also, I'm going to be trying them before and after for you all to see the difference. Some of us might think we don't need it. Yes, most times there are some material, I've said this before in one of my videos, that there are some material that you will put on that you will actually need a bodysuit or a shapewear to make your clothes to look seamless, just like the name of this, Power Conceal Seamless Smoothing Body Suit. The first thing I'm going to share about this is that it's a full body suit. From full body suit from your bust to your thigh area. Those are the places that some of us we always want to smooth out whenever we have something under, whenever we have some kind of material that are very light, or bodycon, or some material that it's going to reveal contour here and there in our body. The number 2 point I'm going to share is that it has an adjustable stretchy strap. Another feature that I like about it is this exclusive X shape that it has at the back. That you all can see at the back, the X shape at the back. That is designed for an hourglass figure, to associate your hourglass figure, to show more. Another thing I like about it is that it's going to support your boobs area because of the stretchy fabric that they use there. So it's going to uplift your boobs area. And most important thing that I want to share with you is that it's going to support and enhance your booty. Yes, it's going to lift it. You do not want to wear any kind of bodysuits or any kind of body shape that will flatten your God-given assets. And the most important thing again I want to share with you, in case you need a bathroom break, they already provided a place that it's going to be very easy for you to take your bathroom break without no hassles. Of course, I'm going to leave every other information that you will need in order for you to lay your hands on this. I have a discount code. I'm going to put it in the description box. So ladies, let me know your thoughts. Right now I'm about to show you the before, and I'm going to show you the after. So ladies, this is what I'm looking like without the body shape on me. You all can look at this side. Look at that. And this is what the side is looking like without the bodysuit on me, right? And this is what my back is looking like. If you can see some contour, I don't know. And this is another side. Front again. I just want you all to see this, all right, so that you all can see that I'm telling you the truth, nothing but the truth. Here is the moment of truth. Maybe they forgot to tell you, or they didn't want to tell you. I don't know what happened, because I've seen so many videos where they claim that it's very difficult to put on this bodysuit. But what I experienced, what I would say, the reason why they think it's very difficult is because maybe they chose their regular size. I'm usually size small, but when I look at the charts, the size charts, I decided to go one size up, and the way they graded their sizes on this particular bodysuit is extra small / small. So instead of me picking that one, because I wear regularly small, I chose medium to large, and it was very, very comfortable to put on, and it feels very comfortable on me. It was not it's supposed to compress you and make you feel make your tummy look very flat. Of course it did that. It did make my tummy flat, boosted my butt and my boobs area, and I was not uncomfortable. I was able to breathe very normal. So that is the moment of truth, and that is what I want you to take away from this review.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window.
I hope you ladies enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.